Best Way Auto Upholstery presents Classic and New Rolls Royce Interior Services. Best Way Auto Upholstery is proud to be the #1 interior shop for classic and new Rolls Royce models in the United States. Here you can see an example of a common problem with the Classic Rolls Royce Corniche. The convertible top is worn and leaking. It definitely needs replacement. Just take a look at this interior. Seat upholstery, door panels and much more require love and care. Our team of professionals does the best for your Rolls-Royce. Check this out. The interior looks just brand new. The Corniche is an excellent example of interior restoration that we've done at our shop. We've replaced the old top and the new one is perfectly stretched and fit on this Rolls-Royce. We've completed more than hundreds of classic Rolls-Royce restorations, and being one of the most experienced professionals in the United States. Based here in Los Angeles, we provide various interior services for these British luxury cars, from a small upholstery repair, interior customization to a complete restoration. Here is another example of a beautiful classic Rolls-Royce restoration project. For classic models like this, it's often required to work on complete seat restoration, which includes foam reshaping as well. We craft all seats covers on our own and carefully installing them back on a restored seat frame and foam. Complete interior restoration includes not just replacing a front and rear seats, installing new carpet, but also tons of small pieces like trim details. We provide interior restoration services for all types of Rolls-Royce, not the only classic, but newer too. Here you can see a ripped seat cover that needs to be replaced. If you want to save a couple of thousands of dollars, do not buy new covers. Let us replace the ripped part and it's gonna have the same original look. This type of work requires skills and time. We have an excellent team of automotive experts who spend countless hours working on unique and custom Rolls-Royce interior designs. If your steering wheel upholstery needs repair works, we can help you. Here is another excellent Rolls-Royce that requires some love. Top replacement is not simple work, but we can do some magic with our team and make it looks like new. Feel free to reach us out at 310-435-8417 for a complimentary quote.